You can layer however you want it. You get in charge of.
Just that, like that.
And I'm wearing gloves so I can rub it really easy. But if you don't wear gloves, for instance, just make sure you place them all and then using the paper towels so you can rub it. Or if you have silicones like the tool, you can do it also. But you try not to get it in your hand because if you have a natural oil, it just might be is not gonna affect that because you're gonna encapsulating with condensed glue gel and a top coat, but it just like prevent from getting a lot of oily on the surface of your nails. All right, she's super cute. I'm gonna move on to this one. Here you go. She's got a little bit of orange. And look at her. Super cute. And we got, maybe we should switch into butterflies right here. I got a little letters butterflies. There you go. The other one we did beauty. There you go. Sorry. Sorry, Instagram. All right, and then we're gonna using the other butterflies. We're having so much fun, everyone. Hope you're really enjoying it. It's really simple, quick, easy. Just in case your clients love to do.
Hey.
Pretty Nina says, hey. Hey to the no whisper.
Oh, hey.
It's a bit louder than whispering. Today at least.
Oh, I really like her. Look at her. Now I have a hard time with picture which one. All right, everyone. See, there's a problem that you have so many and you get overwhelming. But it's okay. I want it's like, is it less is more? To me, more is better. It's like, I say sometimes I look at my nail, I say, ladies, teach me how to be a little bit simple because, oh, this one looks good. But we don't have any pink on it. We'll do some pink. Sorry. She's so cute. She had some yellow, but we didn't have pink on it, so I want some pink on it. I think she's so cute. Just one of it's from a butterfly number 22, just in case. I'm sorry, I should tell you what number I pick it out from. And then the other ones I did, it's the number 1, I think. I did the number 1, number 3, and then number 22.
Put that way. Like that.
All right, thank you. And this one is super cute. They said beauty butterfly. Okay, so the next one I'm gonna do beautiful. I love the little like what was that handwriting stuff. All right, so let's see. Why am I going like that? Is that right? It's good. So cute. Super easy to do. You will never go wrong with this. It's so cute. And then if you want more stuff, you can. It's totally up to you. Put flowers on, however you would like. And that's it. Oh, look. It's super cute, and it's number 22. For instance, if you want to have a little daisy, this one has some daisy, and I'm talking to, like, Mika. This is good. I just want to show you. But we want to make it like a pair of butterflies on each nails. There's so many. Check them out. They are so special, beautiful, and is trendy, is new, is super easy. It's just like really using tweezer, and you can pick it off really easy and fast. And 20% I think is the percent off on for promotions going on right now. So just check it out. Maybe you have 1 or 2 set that you like. So I'm using the piece of paper towel, or if you have the white with like a lens and stuff, you can just make sure you rub it. And usually the body heat will really good too, and it will help to really like activate the adhesive. So let me go ahead and using a condensed glue gels, and I am going to cap this one really good quick without. Can you able to put it? Maybe somewhere. My tinted brush. She can able to cure it. And just blend it nicely. It's really thick density, which is normal. And do not hesitate. Sorry, Mika, I keep pulling her hands out. I should cap this, so then guess what? This butterflies get locked. Can't go anywhere but stay on her nails. And next I am going to using a no wipe top coat. Oh, I'm gonna go and grab my no wipe top coat. There we go. Just adjusting up my station, that's why, and I'll move it right back in. It's like I just move them organized, and guess what? It doesn't last me a day, and I'll move back in. Is anybody related to like that? Like organized and then. All right, so I'm gonna do, before I cure anything, I'm gonna put no wipe top coat on the top, floating on the top of my uncured condensed glue gels. Just make it looks really nice. Smooth look, and it just encapsulate my, so you can use it with any like trendy stickers or pre-adhesive. So much fun. I don't know if maybe in my hand touching or whatever. And I have a gloves on, so I'm gonna wipe just on the edges, so then it keep nice shape, precise before I cure. Great, Mika, can you put it in? Cure for 60 seconds. And in the meantime, I really want to try this. If everyone's love Daisy, I don't know, it's like Daisy? Do you think it's Daisy? Look at Daisy. I thought a Daisy is the other one. Daisy too?
Yeah, that's a daisy.
Is it Daisy? So this is Daisy too. Maybe a different color.
That's a different color.
Daisy.
That has blue, a little blue in it.
Yeah, Daisy. This butterfly is super cute because it has some little like leaves and stuff like that.
Yeah, that reminds me of when I encapsulate.
This one. It's so cute. She's so beautiful. Super fun, quick, easy. This is number one. So also, talking about this, I almost forgot. Besides that, there's your stickers, and then Diamond Pixie 20% off it. Also, you will receive 3-pack of your butterflies from your press-ons or glue-on customs nail treasure box. Mika bought hers, and then she was like, oh my god, it's a cool lot of stuff in there. All right, so this one basically is all done. You don't have to do anything. It's all dry, and then it's really nice and stay nice and smooth on. It doesn't have any ridges, or you don't feel any texture at all. It's so nice. And we did this one and this, and also that. Continue doing it like that. So we're gonna go ahead and doing a crystal placement for that nails.